Most people laugh at $176 per month, but here's why that tiny number is the most dangerous proof I've seen ever online. Stick with me into the end because I'm going to show you the exact blueprint I use to hit the first page of Google every single time I upload and how you can duplicate it for you and your own team. This is the Home Business Academy Residual Proof Make Money Online. The biggest reason people fail online? They jump from shiny object to shiny object. No duplication, no residuals, no foundation. That's why the burnout is the default. Residual income flips that script upside down. Instead of one-time payouts, you build a base that grows every single month. Proof is the only thing that duplicates, not hype. Now, this is the one thing to talk about residual income in theory, but it's another thing to actually see it stacking in real time. Quick disclaimer, these results I'm about to show you are my personal experiences with the Home Business Academy. They're not typical, and there's no guarantee you'll earn the same. Your results depend on your own effort. Think about it. Consistency and the actions you take. So with that being said, we're going to click on three different things. Okay, first of all, we're going to look at the Home Business Academy. And as you can see, 176 monthly residual income with just 3 active customers, but I like to call them team, right? The Let's Go app is $16 a month with 2 customers. The Funnel Builder Academy is $60 a month with 3 customers. And the Premium Traffic and Conversion Academy is $100 a month. 160, 176, right? But check this out. The 3-month projection is 528. Now it's probably more than that because I've gotten that in about the last 3 weeks. So the 6-month projection, and look at this annual projection is 2112. So almost duplicating what, I mean, that's awesome. My goal is 3,000. If I get that, I definitely am thinking about retiring from my 9 to 5. So, and like I said, this is really only the last 3 weeks, if not less. So as you can see, in my e-wallet, there's $34.50. I'm actually going to log into my online banking. Okay, $650, $34.50. I'm sorry, $34.50, $650, and $83.05. Now remember those, okay? Because I'm going to check in right here and show you the third proof statement. So I've shown you my emails, I've shown you the back office of HBA, and now I'm going to show you actually my online bank account, right? And of course, just paid bills, not all of them, but my rent and everything like that. So, okay. So as you can see, all right, there's $650, $34.50, and $83.05, right? Just like I said, okay? No bullshit, all legit. 2 new sales in the past several days added $28 to that monthly commission. Again, this is not just one-time wins. These are not one-time commissions. It's residual income. So it stacks month after month. So if you get to a 3,000 number, you're not starting from scratch the next month, like most affiliate commissions. You're starting from 3,000, assuming everybody sticks with you, right? And if you're showing them success, like I plan to with my bonuses, they're going to stick, okay? If you give them value, you know, like we are with our training site, which I haven't even mentioned lately. We're building our training site. It's almost done. At this point, it's almost over 2,100 in the next 12 months, like I showed you, and my list is growing daily. Think about it this way. $176 a month doesn't even cover a fancy dinner for 4, but stack it month after month and suddenly it's paying for your car, your mortgage, or your freedom. That's the power of duplication and residual income. Now here's the clarity. $176 a month isn't about the number, it's about the system. If you can duplicate 176, you can duplicate 2,112. That's conviction. And here's where it gets even more powerful. If you come at the $25 funnel level, builder level, or premium, you don't just get access to the tools, you get the exact daily blueprint I use to dominate YouTube and rank consistently on Google. You get to learn how to build the traffic, leads, and sales for any single program. You earn 50% commissions to your own favorite payment processor for just plugging the people in and getting them trained on autopilot, right? Because we have videos, etc. And your entire team, current and future, can plug into the same training so duplication happens automatically. All right, gotta count it automatically. So I'm going to show you, before I go on further, the exact ranking system. Okay, so this is proof that it works. You can see I'm incognito. We're going to go right into it. DFY marketing system, right? This is on Google. 1, 2, 3, 4. All 4 top spots are my videos. Okay, this is a video on Google on Instagram, and this is an Instagram. These are YouTube 1 month ago and 5 days ago. The top 4 spots on Google. But check it out on YouTube. Okay, so that's cool on Google. It's actually very hard to rank on Google, right? But look at this, the DFY marketing system, and I'm going to show you. I'm loading it. I'm incognito. #1 result a month ago, right? It's the same video as #1 on Google, right? 2 weeks ago. 1 month ago. 3 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago. 1 term. Look at all these videos. 1 month ago. 1 day ago. And look, crazy. These aren't. None of these are mentioned DFI marketing system except the top one. Okay. This is the power of stacking consistent wins day after day. If you do this, it's like a snowball running downhill. You're going to start. Look at all these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And some of these are ads. 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 videos. Okay? And we're moving on. The compensation plan. Now, if you go to videos, I'm not going to just all. I'm going to videos. I am the 6th video from 16 hours ago. This was this morning's video, okay? And there's also another video from 1 week ago, okay? Moving on. And there's another video right there, the compensation plan, okay? So 3 videos on the video page at Google, okay? Again, Google is a lot harder than YouTube, but I'm ranking consistently. I'm going to show you some actual more rankings on Google. So compensation plan in YouTube, the #2 video. And there's another one. And let's see if there's any more from me or my team. Here's a video from a day ago, right? Okay, moving on. Oh, let's go app versus Livegood. Oh, wait a second. #1 on Google, right? And look at this as a team member that's using the same exact training, #3. So we have 2 of the #3, actually 3 of the #3. That's the same guy, Postcard Lifestyle. All 3 top results. And here's a YouTube video from JJ and an Instagram post and a Postcard Lifestyle and an Instagram post. We are dominating Google right here. Okay? Here's the home business, the same term. And guess what? Make money online, JJ, Postcard Lifestyle. Interesting. Postcard Lifestyle again. Make money on with JJ. Is that the 5, 6? 6 of 6 from the same team. Interesting. See, but it's not about me. It's about you. Are you going to take these simple steps we show you how to do? They're simple. We make them simple, but they're very powerful because other people aren't teaching you attraction marketing. Other people aren't teaching how to get free traffic, leads, and sales, okay? And how to do the advanced stuff that we are. They either don't know or they're scared to teach you this, okay? That's why we have the best team, we have the best bonuses, we have the best training, okay? Bar none. I'm showing you exactly how we're dominating Google and YouTube, okay? And this Home Visit Academy versus ClickFunnels. These aren't random terms. These are the last few videos I've done, okay? And as you can see, always on for YouTube. And I went to I think one was videos on Google, okay? So, let's see. Paul Hutching is the owner of the company. #2, in Google. And there's another video from 4 weeks ago. And another video. So 3 times on the first page of Google. Interesting. And as you can see, I'm going to show you one more time that it's not bullshit. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's another team member by shout out to Andrew Guthrie. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of how many? 10 of how many? 2, 3, I'm not counting any ads. 4, 5, that's an ad. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 of like what, 15 or 16? Interesting. We are dominating Google. I'm sorry, we are dominating YouTube, and we're consistently ranking on the first page of Google. But dominating YouTube, because one term I can have what 12 videos? Are you kidding me? If the light bulb's not going off in your head, I don't know what to say, because this is going to be free training if you lock arms with me at the 25 or 125 level, okay? Now, for serious action takers who also add the Funnel Builder, the Let's Go app, and Premium, I'll add your link to my rotator and drive traffic for both of us. You heard me right. I'll drive traffic for both of us. The smart person will get on this ASAP, because that means I'm getting you leads, traffic leads, and potential sales for any program, okay? If you lock arms with me in HBA and you need a funnel builder, here's certain things you need. You need a domain, you need a funnel builder, and you need an autoresponder. If you're going to stand out and build your list, because how many people are actually going to buy the first time? It takes at least 6 to 8. Okay, how many commercials do you watch before you actually believe it? How many things do you actually, the average is about 6 to 8 minimum. Guess what? We have 150 email series, okay? Now, again, you also can duplicate this exact bonus for your team. So imagine offering a rotator, a spot in the rotator, and you can offer this bonus to your team. They can duplicate what you're offering. Not only are we offering to you, put you in my rotator, you can have your own rotator. Okay? Interesting and powerful. Not no bullshit. And I'm offering you the exact steps to dominate Google. Like I'm showing you. It goes on and on and on. Okay? One term. Look at all this. Okay? Here's another 4 as I scroll, keep going further. Dominating YouTube. Consistently ranking on the first page of Google. Again, that's my personal experience with the Home Business Academy. I've shown you my emails of proof, of income proof. I've shown you the rankings. I've shown you that this is possible, but are you going to implement the training, and are you going to stay laser focused on what actually works? Because my first video, I think I ranked in 3 minutes, I was ranked 3rd and 5th for 2 different terms. With no views. Okay? You can do this, but will you stay focused and will you put in the work? Because the more you do it, the easier it is. The more you do it, the easier it is. If this kind of proof and duplication excites you, hit that like button so YouTube knows that this is the content people like you need to see. Being real, okay? No bullshit. At the $25 level, I'm not promising you, I'm going to put 4,000 people on your team and you're going to make a quarter per person. So 100 people is $25. If you add HBA Funnel Builder and the Let's Go app, that's $28 a person, by the way. One person can get you $28, or 100 can give you $25. Livegood sounds amazing. Now you're buying at $25, you're not just buying a tool, you're buying a system that will have, with our help, will rank on the first page of YouTube every single video, because we're giving you the bonus. That's how duplication scales, because your team can plug into the same steps and the same results. And that's why this is called Home Business Academy Residual Proof Make Money Online. So the question isn't, does it work? I've proven it does. The proof is right here. The real question is, will you duplicate it? If you want more proof like this and videos like this, Make sure you subscribe and click on the notification bell. I drop new videos every single day, basically. Drop a comment below if you want me to break down the next proof step in detail. I'll create a video walking you through it. This is the Home Business Academy Residual Proof Make Money Online. That's the conviction and the goal. And that's how you build freedom. This is JJ Solly, aka John Solly, aka your friendly neighborhood Solly Man. Don't delay. Get what Jay did today. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.